Hey everybody, it's Marty from Aspect LED. Today we're going to unbox and show the features of the Universal Slide Dimmer from Eaton, the SUL06P. Please like and subscribe if you find this video helpful for more helpful information. Alright, this is a slider style dimmer with an on and off toggle at the bottom. It has a ground connection on the top, and then on the side it has a black screw which is going to connect back to your panel, that's the line side, and a copper screw that is your load or your light side. This is a universal style dimmer, meaning that it can be used with both of our ELV and MLV type of lights, but not both at the same time. Okay, we've already installed the dimmer in the wall, following the rules set forth in the National Electric Code. If you are uncomfortable installing the dimmer, please hire a qualified electrician to do the work for you. Now that we have the dimmer installed in the wall, we're going to adjust the low-level trim. To do this, start with the rocker switch in the off position and the slider set at the bottom. We're going to adjust the trim wheel that's located on the upper left-hand corner of the dimmer. Turn the rocker switch on and adjust the slider wheel until the light doesn't flicker. You can adjust it up and down to find a sweet spot. After you've found the adjustment that you like, don't touch the rocker for 30 seconds. Then turn the rocker switch off and on again, and verify that the light comes on without flickering. If it does, you may need to adjust the low-level trim a bit more. You can adjust the dimmer switch all the way up to max now and use the dimmer normally. For more helpful videos, please like and subscribe.